was not to make plots. लोदान प्लॉट करचे आनी कोणे प्लॉट करचे हे प्लॉट करपाक दिवंक नासलो स्पीकर सर. हे 50 लाख स्क्वेअर मीटर भाऊसाहेब बांदोडकरान तांकां दिल्ले एम्प्लॉयमेंट क्रिएट करपाक इंडस्ट्रियलायझेशन जावपाक आनी हांगा प्लॉट करून चालूच आहा फुल ऑन प्लॉट चालू आहा. स्पीकर सर उत्तर अशें दाखयता की सनदी दिल्या आनी सनदी फुडल्यो दिवपाच्यो आहा ते येवंक ना म्हणटा ते चलन दिवंक ना म्हणून. पयले म्हाका तूं एक एश्युरन्स दी. पर्पज हॅज बीन चेंज्ड. पर्पज गिवन वॉज इंडस्ट्री. नाव इट इज गेटिंग टू सेटलमेंट. सनद दिवचो ना म्हणून म्हाका एश्युरन्स दी पयले. कित्याक ना जाल्यार तुमीच कायदो हाडलो 2024 तुमीच कायदो मोडटा म्हणून सांग म्हाका. जुवारीच्या मोगान तुमी कायदो मोडटा.
The amendment what we have brought into 2024, it is perspective.
No,
it is not retrospective.
No, you are the sanads which you haven't given are also perspective.
So that is
I know the law. Otherwise, law minister can give further this.
This amendment what we have brought doesn't imply as far as the Zuari is concerned.
So why?
No, because what is the
why? No,
this amendment stands from the day.
About Zuari.
No, this amendment stands from the day when this amendment was brought into force. Any land henceforth. That is the decision.
But now with the sanads which you haven't given, it is henceforth, no?
No, but not question of this thing. I said any land which was given by the Comunidad after this.
Because you all wanted to give this land to Zuari.
Where is the question?
And you all wanted to sell it out. This is the biggest scam in modern Goan history.
Speaker sir, where is the question of?
सगळ्यात व्हडले scam आहे. आतून गोंयचे टोटल जितले डेट आहा ते क्लियर जावपाचे. 50 लाख कोटीचे स्कॅम आहे स्पीकर सर.
Chief, I'll take it.
50,000 कोटीचे स्कॅम. सॉरी 50,000 कोटीचे स्कॅम. 33,000 का 36,000 डेट
स्कॅम म्हणून
आणि कायदे हाडटात जुवारीक जमीन विकपाक.
आम्ही कायदे हाडटात.